Welcome to Wonder Kid Family Channel.
Hi everyone, my name is SAADHVIKA. Today I am going to tell about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a Greek word. Photo means light, synthesis means putting things together. Plants make their food with the help of air, carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. This is the process called photosynthesis. Now, there are two important words in photosynthesis. They are stomata and chloroplast. Stomata means tiny dots. Dots or openings on the leaf are called stomata. Stomata, this tiny openings, take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen for us. Chloroplast. Chloroplast means tiny pigments on the leaves are called chloroplast. Chloroplast take in sunlight, water and carbon dioxide and give out sugar and oxygen. Sugar is the food for the plants and the oxygen are given out to the atmosphere. Now, this whole process is called photosynthesis. Thanks. Bye.